Right, now for the second part, we took the old alternator off. I took it, got it matched up. Got another one. It's a junkyard alternator, but it ought to hold out for a little while. Now we'll just install it. Come a little closer where you can get in there. Take it and you put it where these tabs, this big tab on the bottom, goes in here. And the little tab goes to this part. All you do, line it up, same way the other one came off. Just like that. Then you put your bolts in. This a little bit there. That'll work. Alright. Got a nut to go on the end of the bottom one.
Excuse me.
And then you got the same connections on the electrical. Take that off. Put the hot wire on, tighten it up. Should have my little 10mm somewhere. Tighten it up. And this plug can only go in one way. Just like that. That's all on. I've got to get wires. Tighten this one up. This is not actually the right bolt that goes in this, but it's undone where the old bolt went to, so it'll work. As long as you have a bolt in every hole that you had it mounted on before, you don't want to leave any bolts out thinking, they don't know what they're doing, didn't need that one on there anyway. No, they put them there for a reason, so always put all the bolts back in. Anyway, to save time, I'm going to tighten it up after the camera's off. Put your belt back on. And if, by some kind of chance, your belt has come off the pulleys and you can't remember which way that it went on, there's always an accessory drive belt routing sticker somewhere on the vehicle, and you can see it shows with air conditioning, and it's got a dotted line that shows without air conditioning. This one does not have air conditioning, so I use the without air conditioning. Pull your tensioner. Make sure your belt is lined up on all the pulleys, and then let it go. And that has the alternator installed. I'll tighten the bolt up in just a minute. The only thing that's left is putting the battery back in, starting it up and testing it. And that's how you install an alternator.